One of the most interesting ways to brew coffee is with the Clever Dripper. It's a pour-over dripper with a lever system. I'll show you how that works in a bit. We're going to use the Defiance Dark Roast from Noble Tree Coffee and grind it up on a medium setting. From there, we can grab our carafe, Clever Dripper, and paper filter. We need to rinse that paper filter with hot water to get rid of any papery taste, and then we can discard that rinse water. This is where it gets interesting. We're going to get rid of our carafe temporarily and fill up the Clever Dripper with hot water. I filled it to 250 milliliters, and then we can add in our 19 grams of coffee grounds. Here, we'll give it a gentle stir to make sure that all of the coffee grounds are evenly saturated. Then we let it sit until about 3 minutes when we can break up that crust that's layered on top. Now all we have to do is set the Clever Dripper on top of the carafe, and the lever will do its magic. This method is a mixture of full immersion and filter brewing, which produces a really tasty cup of coffee, especially since we're using Noble Tree.